Muhammad from the Philippines, he says, he doesn't find the zelf and the enthusiasm to pray. And he doesn't know what is causing this. Well, akhi, this is one of the ways of shaitan to block you and prevent you from praying. This feeling comes with time. You cannot go to the gym, work out for like a couple of months, and then say, I don't have Arnold Schwarzenegger's biceps. Yeah, Arnold Schwarzenegger took like 15 years to reach where he reached. So you need time, you need devotion, you need this push in you to benefit and get the best of your prayer. Anas ibn Malik, the companion of the Prophet ﷺ, had his best student and companion by the name of Thabit al-Bunani, if I recall correctly. And Thabit said about himself, he's a tabi'i, he said, I struggled with prayer for 20 years. What does that mean? It means that he's been praying for 20 years, finding the same problem you're finding, Muhammad. I'm not feeling it. I'm not getting this connection. It feels that I'm doing the rituals as a robot. I'm not getting the benefits of it. He says, but after 20 years of struggling, I started to enjoy it for the following 20 years. This is when you reach your peak and it becomes in your system. So it takes time. What adds value to it? Number one, to understand the meaning of the things you're saying in salat. When you say Subhana Rabbi al-A'la, when you say Sami Allahu liman hamidah, Rabbana wa lakal hamd, what does that mean? When you recite the Fatiha, what does it mean, this conversation? Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Allah says, my servant has praised me. There's a conversation between you and Allah Azza wa Jal. So all of this adds a lot of value. When you know the beautiful names and attributes of Allah, you get more khushu' and contemplation and submissiveness in your salat because of that. Then it will come gradually bi-idhnillah.